नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों से बात करेंगे मेटल स्टॉक के बारे में। और मेटल स्टॉक पीक फॉर्म फॉर 2026 Jefferies highlighted three names for up to 26% upside over the last 18 years. Jefferies highlight that whenever the Tata Steel or JSW Steel share have been bought when shares are below 200 per bonus ton, they have gone on to deliver good return in the subsequent 1 year. Brokerage firm Jefferies has picked Tata Steel Ltd, JSW Steel Ltd and Jindal Stainless Ltd as its three bids for the new year from within the metal space, entering the new year with a positive view. Jefferies has a price target of 230 on Tata Steel, which implies a potential upside of 26% from current level. For JSW Steel, it has a target of 1,400, which implies an upside potential of 18%, while for Jindal Stainless, the 1,200 price target implies a 20% upside potential. India's steel companies can see their volumes increase at a compounded annual growth rate of 6% to 9% over financial year 2026 to 2028, according to Jefferies, who went to add that the reinstatement of safeguard that DUTV should further lift steel price domestically. Jefferies also expected spares across Asia to recover from their 15 years low as well. Over the 18 years, Jefferies highlight that whenever Tata Steel or JSW Steel share have been bought when spares are below 200 per ton, they have gone on to deliver good return in the subsequent 1 year. Jefferies has gone to raise the earning per share estimate for Tata Steel and JSW Steel for financial year 2027 and 2028 by 9% and 17% owing to higher steel price and by assuming Indian hot rolled coil price of 54,500 per ton compared to the current spot price of 48,500 per ton. The brokerage has also gone on a raised EPS estimates for Hindustan Zinc and Hinduklo by 4% to 7% for the same time frame to factor in the higher silver and aluminum price respectively. Shares of Tata Steel are trading 1.1% higher on Monday at 185. The stock is up 40% in the last 12 months. Shares of JSW Steel up for 0.4% at 1,184, while those of Jindal Stainless are trading 1% higher at 864.3. Check out our in-depth market coverage business news. Thank you.